I am using the Madam CJ Walker products that came in the Platinum July curl box. And right here, I am just simply taking out some plaits that I've had in my hair for my protective styling, which I use wigs for that at the moment. I'm using the Dela co-wash. And make sure you stay tuned throughout the video because I am going to be demonstrating on my 7-year-old and my 2-year-old's hair. The consistency of this co-wash, it is very creamy. It doesn't seem like a co-wash to me. I was able to finger detangle my hair some. I wouldn't say it has the best slip for finger detangling though. But overall, with the co-wash, my hair felt just okay. You're gonna see me repeat the process on my daughter Shauma here, her hair, and my 2-year-old Sadinia's hair. So I'm doing the co-wash on her hair now, and then I will be doing the co-wash on Sadinia's hair, and so forth and so on. And here, when you see me with the one glove on, the one glove off, I like to, whenever I'm wearing the gloves, for whatever reason, this particular reason, one of my nails were chipped, I like to be able to feel the hair with my bare hand. Overall, the co-wash felt the best on my 2-year-old's hair. So on to Inches. This is their Reconstructing Moisture Protein Treatment. I felt like I was better able to detangle my hair with this end than I was with the co-wash. And I'm showing you here where I believe my hair needs to be cut. Like, yes, those ends like just need to go. But I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not, but it needs to be done. And here are how my curls are looking after the treatment. It says to leave it on your hair for 15 minutes. And if you want to, take it a little further, you can put on a shower cap and sit it on the dryer for a few minutes. But I didn't do that. I just left it on all of our hairs for 15 minutes. And then I rinsed it out. It has a hydrolyzed rice protein in it. It feels good on the hair. I wet it because her hair is like, I don't know, I thought her hair was low porosity. I need to probably retest it because it seems like she has high porosity hair. Her hair was drying really, really fast. But this feels good on the hair. It said to distribute it through the strands from the root to the tip, and then finger detangle it or comb it. And I find that it's easy to detangle with it, with my fingers. And I took off one glove so that I can feel with my hand how it feels, and then I usually put the gloves back on once I have felt how the hair feels. Sadinia, what are you talking about?
It doesn't feel like hurting when you do the detangling that much.
Oh, it doesn't hurt while I'm detangling?
Yes. It doesn't hurt while you're detangling that much.
That much? So you're saying that it hurts some?
Yes, just a little bit.
Both this product, the Inches and the On Point, is very thick and creamy. This feels so good on your hair.
You're doing this on purpose.
To be honest, I didn't feel like this was like a true, real protein conditioner. I guess I would have to use it for a while to really see if it actually helps you keep the inches, because I just couldn't really tell. You know what I mean? I didn't feel any difference in our hair. It was soft, yes, but I didn't feel anything like strengthening or anything like that. So, yeah. So let's see if this is really on point. It says how to change your curl game. On damp or dry curls and apply the rich buttercream generously. Twist, curl, scrunch, or diffuse to create that perfect curly style. Let me see. Shake your curls. Let me see. Turn around.
Then do this. Woo, woo. Just get it heated and then heat it while
There you go. Good job. Once Sadinia's hair dried with the on point, her curls did look good. They felt nice, but the next day I noticed, and later on that day, that they did not have any shine. It looked dull looking. So it dried with a dull look. So I like this product, how it makes the hair look and feel at first, but over time it does look dull, and it does look, and it feels drying. So it's none of these products are actually products that I would go out, run out and buy. No, I would not run out and purchase them. So here I'm just showing you how I'm putting her hair up for bedtime, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks the next day. Stand here. Okay.
Wow, Sardinia.
Shake your hair.
Now it's in a big afro. What are you gonna do with that hair? Mommy, it looks like flexi rods. And this is how my hair turned out, guys. If you want to know how my hair turned out.
As you can see here, the Hella co-wash did not get my scalp clean. I did not expect for it to because of the ingredients list and how it felt when I was applying it. So this is Shauma's hair just with the on point. I finally took the twist down and it feels okay. Your hair looks nice, it feels okay, but like I said, it's nothing I would run out and rush out to buy. So thanks for watching this video. If you like, you thumbs it up. Make sure you are subscribed and click the bell for notifications, and we'll see you in the next one. Lord say the same.